Hello Anna. Today we are going to do some questions and answers for a story on the Tech Savvy City website. It's for Aikenvale Library. Uh, are you okay with that? Mhm. First of all, would you mind to tell your name, your age, and which school you're going to at the moment?
Hello, my name is Anna. I am 7 years old and I go to Annandale Christian College.
I think you learned that answer by heart. All right. So, would you mind to tell me what interesting thing you have done this summer holiday?
I've done a lot of interesting things. I've watched a movie. I've started 3D printing. I finished my 3D printing book. I 3D printed some stuff. I went kayaking.
Very good. A lot of interesting thing. So you did learn 3D printing. Would you mind to tell me how did you do that?
I just used a book from the library.
Would you mind to show the book? Wow. So this book, what is it?
3D printing projects.
Yes.
And it has amazing ideas to design and make.
And
you can make a tablet stand, some coat hooks, a star lantern, and even an impossible box.
So this book is available at library or you bought it?
I said that it was at the library.
Right. Is it hard to follow?
Not all of them. You have how hard it is
alright.
in this big red box on the first page of each
exercise. Yeah, it has a difficulty. Alright, so this one is difficulty is easy. So
because it's like the first one.
Do you need a lot of help when you try to follow this book?
No.
No? So
Not
you can
a lot.
alright. So you don't need a lot of help when you do it. Would you mind to show some interesting project you have done?
Right. The first one I ever printed was this car.
Alright. It's a supercar?
It's a racing car.
Mm-hmm.
The wheels rotate like you can see when I turn it. But they are a bit too close to this part. So when you rotate them, you sometimes get stuck. And you hear sometimes some clicks and whistles. And then you have to, and if you don't have these parts, the wheels will fall off.
Would you mind to show that project of supercar on Tinkercad?
Is it racing car?
Yeah.
Where is it? Oh, here it
is. Yeah, I think it's the same name, but supercar or...
No, it's called car.
Yeah.
Because it is a car.
Alright. Wow. So that is a car and the wheels.
These are the wheels.
And what is the road for?
These are the axles to connect the car. Or otherwise, if you didn't have them, when you try to put the wheels, and then the cogs would fall off, and then the wheels would fall off.
Yep. Alright. Is there anything else you want to show?
This one my dad made. Well, I like this one, but I haven't printed it.
Yep.
I'll show this one even though I haven't printed it.
Yep.
This is a hook. It's an animal hook.
Wow, it looks weird. No, it's not. It's an elephant hook, isn't it?
Yes, it's an elephant.
Can you rotate around? Oh wow.
Oh, it doesn't
In
look...
2D? Okay, you can rotate it in 3D as well.
Oh,
wow.
I had a problem with the making. Because I have to cut it off another shape. The head off and the trunk off. So it looks a bit weird.
But it's cool. I think I like it.
Here's it. It's smiling at you. It's got two black eyes, which are going to be whatever the body is. And its trunk is going this way.
A bit inclining. That's okay. Would you mind to show other project as well? What's the most difficult one? Or most interesting one?
None of... I don't know which one is interesting. Oh, this one, no.
Alright. I saw the castle. Can you show the castle, please? Wow. A lot of pieces.
Yeah, together, but they don't always fit together. So then you have to be careful with the instructions. And I wasn't. Then they didn't print properly the first time, and then they wouldn't fit together. And then when we tried the second time, it didn't work. And then the next time it didn't work. So the last time we got successful to put the pieces. Only some of the pieces fit together, but I didn't have enough pieces.
Alright, would you mind to show how they fit together?
Right. And some of them are too short. So this is the castle. And this triangle's too short. So it's supposed to piece together, except I don't have enough pieces. Where's the hole? Where's the hole? Where's the hole? Like here. When you're hang on.
Wow.
Now I can't get this out.
You can keep it in. This is okay.
Alright. So if you didn't have this, then let's say this part would have to connect with this part. Since there are two sides to connect, let's say this hole would slide into here if it works.
Alright, let's put it down. I think I can get it.
Now I don't have to hold it near my cheek.
Hopefully not. Would you mind to show other thing? How about your jet set? Right, I have your jet set here.
I only got 7 pawns and 1 bishop.
Alright. Good. So this is a jet set. Do you think it's okay to play with that, or
no? Because you don't have the full set. You only have one, and you're missing a bishop, and you're missing a pawn.
Alright, that's good. Okay. Would you mind to show the jet set project on Tinkercad?
I don't want to change the name of my castle. Oh, here. Just wait a moment.
Is Tinkercad very fast or very slow?
What do you mean?
So the speed when you draw it, it goes out immediately, or you have to wait a few moments so the
get it?
Yeah.
I can show you. Like if you click this, then you get this symbol like an orange figure, and when you push it, then you have this to size it.
Yeah. Alright, and you can change the size as the instruction guide you.
And you can combine it, which I already did.
Very good, Anna. Thank you very much. Last question. So how long have it taken you to learn the...
About 2 weeks.
2 weeks. When did you start?
Before Christmas.
Right. So it's about 4 weeks right now. But in that 2 weeks you didn't print anything, didn't do anything.
Yes.
Alright. Thank you. Thank you very much for your time, Anna. And I hope you can inspire some other kids to learn 3D printing as well. They are available at Aikenville Library.
Yes.
Yeah, and the book is available in the library as well.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Anna. Yeah.